Everyone, thank you so much for joining me. Today was Play Day at Toys R Us, Saturday, February 20th, the Ultimate Family event. You get to do some make and takes, which I'm going to show you which one we did. There are games that you can play from Hasbro, and there was giveaways and more. Plus they had the new sneak peek of the American Girl Mega Bloks for you. Also today was a Be a Buddy, Not a Bully free peek t-shirt day. You go into Toys R Us, there's 100 per store, it's for kids only, and you can go and pick up a pink t-shirt which is to be worn on February 24th for the anti-bullying. And this is the pink t-shirt that we got today. Be a Buddy, Not a Bully, Toys R Us. It's a cool t-shirt to have and to wear, for kids only. Now the first thing we were catered to, besides a t-shirt, was to play a little Quixels. And when you played with the Quixels, they gave us this Shopkins Season 4 poster. And this one here is the collector's guide. So you can go and check off all the ones you got to collect. And on the back, or on the front, is our poster for Season 4. And it shows you the some Petkins and some new Shopkins in there. And also, after playing with the Quixels, they also gave us a free Season 4 Shopkins blind bag. You get one Shopkin inside, a shopping bag, and also there's a collector's guide inside, which is awesome because you could always use more collector guides. Then the next thing that we got to do was our make and take. And so our make and take we did was this heart. So the girls got to make this heart, and the boys got to make, I think it was a little reindeer, which was awesome too. I wish I could have made the reindeer. Now, the pattern and shape is this way. This is the way they had it in the store, and you're supposed to follow along with each color and each size. And once you complete it fully to the make that Toys R Us had, then you get to take it home. If you put the wrong color on or something, then you know you have to fix it in order for you to take this away. So this was our Mega Bloks make and take for the day. Then also we got catered to some information on the American Girl Mega Bloks. They gave us this magnet, which we could put on our fridge, which is awesome. Then they gave us this flyer, which tells us that American Girl Mega Bloks will be available March 18, and you get to receive a free American Girl water tumbler and a tote bag when you spend $30 or more on American Girl Mega Bloks. And if you can't wait till March 18, you can pre-order them now and get it. So there you go, and limited quantities available, so you better get it quick if you're an American Girl fan and Mega Bloks. And this just tells you about their mission and everything of the American Girl and how the story got started. So coming soon in stores March 18, and this is the Mega Bloks. They show you some of it, and they had one of these there that they showed us also. So there you have it, everyone. There was games you can play from Hasbro and everything. So it was today only, February 20th, at Toys R Us, the Ultimate Family event, Play Day. Thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, Canada.